Well, hello. What are we gonna eat today? So today I'm actually gonna go get some fried chicken. Korean fried chicken.
2 orders of spicy ones?
Yeah, so like 2 of the 8-piece. I got my wings. See what we're working with? This is for my girl. Extra sauce. Look at this. Crispy, seasoned. Let's see how it tastes. Ah! Legit fire. Flavor wise and heat wise. And spice wise. Choking over here with the seasoning. But it's delicious. Oh, it's hot. So hot, but it's so good. Yo, you better finish all your chicken too. And you can suck on the bones. Get a swig of the lemonade. Let me get another bite. I'm gonna finish the rest at home.